What's going on, mi gente? It's Louis the Boiler Man, your YouTube plumber. Guys, today we're installing a Daikin mini split AC system. It's a 12,000 BTU unit. The model number for this indoor unit is a RXL12, which means it's 12,000 BTUs, single zone. My technician right now is hanging on the back bracket on the wall to make sure it's nice and secured so we can hang on to the indoor unit. So you can see we're measuring, making sure we don't make any mistakes, as well as we're making this hole. And this hole is a 3-inch hole. And what we put into this hole is your copper line sets, your electrical, and your drainage. You just put it right to the wall. As you can see, there's no holes, or you can see any visual holes from the inside. So right now we're working on the outdoor unit. So right now we're actually running the copper line sets. As you can tell, everything has to be nice, clean, and level. I would always advise you guys have the right tools to make sure everything is nice and clean. You don't want to make the customer unhappy or disappoint them. We're about to put the pipe into the actual enclosure and the slim duct. We're making sure everything is nice and tight. Right now we're doing the last flare, which is the flare which connects to the outdoor condenser. Now we're about to disconnect the plate so we can do the wiring. So the wiring is very simple. It's 3 terminals. You don't want to make a mistake. Again, guys, you have terminal 1, 2, and 3. As you can see on the terminal block, if it's connected to terminal 1, it has to be connected to terminal 1. So in this case, black is number 1. So the black wire has to go to terminal 1 in the indoor unit, and so on and so forth. Guys, after you're completely done with the job, you have to put the system into what's called a vacuum. You have to bring it down to 500 microns or less, which is industry standards. So we always make sure that you do the proper vacuum and do the proper job and make sure the installation is done correctly. Nice. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching the video. We'd love to see you guys. Drop a comment, hit the bell button, subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned. Woo-wee! Wepa!